Here's how to delete your Facebook account on Android. Now open up the Facebook app on your Google Pixel, your Samsung Galaxy, whatever you may have, and we need to get your settings to be able to delete it. So at the very top right, you can see that menu button. Just tap on that and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now within your settings, unfortunately, they constantly move this around. There are two ways to be able to find that. You can either just search for it or you can manually navigate to it. To be able to find it, you'll just tap on See More in Account Center and then Personal Details. From here, let's tap on Account Ownership and Control and then Deactivation and Deletion and then for Facebook. Now, finally, we're in the either deactivate option or delete option. If you wanted to permanently delete your account, just choose that second option and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's tap on the continue button here. And then from here, you can just hit continue. You don't necessarily need to answer that. It will say, do you want to deactivate to keep Messenger instead? And it does give you the option to export all of your information if you want to save your posts, etc. If you're ready to go, just hit the continue button at the very bottom. And from here, let me just autofill my password and hit continue. From here, you'll be able to see it says it will essentially deactivate your account for 30 days. And then after those 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So you can just log back in within 30 days to recover it. And if you don't, everything will be permanently deleted on your Android phone.